Good morning, Bulldogs! Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. This is Angela Kate San Juan, and these are your morning announcements. Bulldog birthday shoutouts go to Karina Treveri. Also, happy belated birthday to Hong Nguyen, Andy Gutierrez, and Eva Vo. Hope you guys have a great birthday. Today's after-school clubs include Homework Center, Esports, Club Live, Piano, Fantasy Soccer, Baking with Bulldogs, and Coding. For your spirit announcements, today is Purple and Gold Monday. Remember to post, tag, or send your pictures wearing purple or gold to our Leva Bulldogs Instagram. Or you can also send them to Mr. Brengard via email. As of right now, here are the top 3 winning spirit teams for this semester. In first place, we have Mr. Hollenkamp, Mr. Bakken, and Miss Praisewater Soulmates with 75 points. And in a tie for second, we have Miss Zamora's Swizzles, and Miss Balistreri and Miss Walczek's One Direction with 58 points. As we continue to celebrate Women's History Month, did you know that Amanda Gorman was the first person to be named National Youth Poet Laureate at 22? She is also one of the youngest poets who is accorded the honor of delivering the presidential inaugural poem. She is very successful at such a young age. That's it for today, Bulldogs, and I hope you have a miraculous Monday.